Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add up and down effect on FilmoraGo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your FilmoraGo apps and add the video that you want to edit. And then after this, you just click on the effect at the bottom. In here, click on it. And then in here you just click on a feature and then swipe down until you can see up and down effect. This one, click on it. And then in here you just click check icon. And now you can finish. So that's how to add up and down effect on FilmoraGo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.